There's a crisis going on in Ukraine right now, and it's not what you're expecting. Every month, hundreds of volunteers risk their lives by going into war zones and decimated communities to be the only aid for the hundreds of thousands of dogs and animals that have been abandoned, left injured, and starving to fend for themselves.
In the affected areas, all remaining shelters are beyond full capacity, and all dogs that have been left behind are multiplying at an alarming rate.
Save the Dogs team is on the edge of Kherson, where the devastating flood last month had left so many people homeless and people dead. Dogs and cats were killed, and other ones are still getting medical treatment. Rescuers are still desperately trying to find homes. It's absolutely a nightmare, all caused by the war.
And in the war zones themselves, it is certain that more animals are being abandoned and injured as this conflict continues daily.
Save the Dogs is on the front lines. They send the volunteers, they send the life support, and they're on the ground month over month in this nonsensical, seemingly endless war.
The animal shelters are all full. They're all at capacity. They don't have space to rescue more animals, take them in, give them care, or find adopters for them.
Right now, we're asking you to open your heart. We're asking you to join this latest Karma Project campaign, which aims to support Save the Dogs on their mission. Because they simply cannot continue without the support of people like you and me.
Go to www.karmaproject.life and see how your simple donation will bind together with all the others to make a collective, significant, real difference.
Let me ask you this. If you saw an animal suffering on the street, would you stop and help? This is your chance to do exactly that.